So battery's in. Moment of truth, boys. Like I said, it's negative 15 Celsius here, Canada. I haven't started the truck for probably a month and a half, 2 months. A little longer. I probably should have started it sooner, but we'll see what happens here. Not bad. Started better than I thought. Not too bad. Oh, there's some light on the bitch. Fucking dirty. Here's the real weapon. I'll let her run for a bit. I thought that might be worse, to be honest, but go for it. Fuck, I missed this thing, boys. Tune is fucked. Always gets fucked. Runs like shit. But, yeah. Like I said, if we get the twinned here, that'll be a lot of fucking fun. Okay, I'll let her run for a bit and I'll be back. I'm gonna run her for 5 minutes or so. It'll level out. Not too bad. Not too bad. Garage here in a bit. Ah, fuck it. While we're in here, let's see if I can get this unit fired. It has been a while. Oh, fuck. What a shithole. I don't know if this is happening. Fuck, she fired too! 06 LTR, hot cams, GE piston, ported head, Yosh exhaust. I did not think it was going to fire, but she fired up. Runs fucking good too. Right on. That's sweet. Not too bad. So I know this video is getting up there in length, kind of all over the place, but I just want to get an update on the truck for you guys that are watching at home and follow the build and shit. I appreciate that. I'm not sure if you're into videos like this or not. Let me know what you think in the comments. But yeah, like I said, the turbos are there. They just got to get picked up. They're at HSP diesel, and I got to order the rest of the shit. Still getting that 4L80 built. Should have that done for the spring, no problem. And probably be running dual Wildbrow 450 pumps. You got to get injectors. Most of my fuel systems already ran, so it's not a big deal. That won't be hard to do. Got to get all the piping, intercooler, manifolds, all the gauges and shit. It's not gonna be cheap. That most of you know, not a cheap game, but should be a good year for the truck. And I wanna be one of the fastest things around, so it should be fun. But yeah, let me know what you think. I appreciate it. Happy New Year, like I said, and have a good day. Thanks.